Look at all this. And they're putting all those new buildings around.
Why are they
Ni
doing
hao.
it?
How are you?
Why are they
Oops.
doing it?
To put big buildings.
To put big buildings.
Okay, let's keep on.
Look. They're waiting to be demolished. Look. They already got the construction site here next door. Wow. Look, they're coming for new buildings. Oh, look at this. What a shame, folks. Yeah, the original. They knock all this down. So I think the restaurant that I'm looking for doesn't exist anymore. It was an old building. It was an old building like this. And they're designated for... Look at those places. No way. It's a car park now. Look at this uncle and aunt. No way, folks. What's happened now? They want to decorate. Look at the school kids. Get in the middle. Lucas, go. Shanghai vanishing.
It was some kind of economics and social economics from China.
What is that? How all this used to be just like Hutons in Beijing. Modernizing, you're losing the character of this city. Look at that. Pearl, the Citibank, Jim Mao, Financial IFC. Why we want all that? Thousands, hundreds, centuries of history. Instead of preserving this beauty. Wow, how can you just let it slip away? China is on holiday. This is how it looks when Chinese New Year is around. They don't want to show this.
And the stones.
Yeah. Look at this. They're going to put up all this again, knock this down. And they're going to put something like this, like a Disney. Remnants of Shanghai I'm sharing with you now.